Today's featured car of the day is a 1969 Jaguar E-Type OTS. And I'll read from the seller's comments at the auction. And the seller stated, 1969 Jaguar E-Type Roadster, 27-time driven class winner in local regional events. I purchased this Jaguar in January 1970 when it was 2 months old from a fellow Navy fighter pilot friend of mine, and it has been my pride and joy ever since. He had proposed to his girlfriend and was getting married and needed the money. The car received a total engine and drivetrain overhaul in 1989, and total restoration of the remainder of the car followed immediately thereafter. This included new wire wheels, replacement of windshield, convertible top, side windows, chrome, gas tank, and interior upholstery. In 1990, I had the car repainted to my favorite Jaguar color, opalescent blue. In February of 2018, extensive rework was done by Classic Showcased at a cost of $13,123. An additional rework was accomplished in 2019, including new clutch and installation of a brand new 5-speed transmission at a cost of $16,810. All maintenance and upgrade receipts are available. In addition to the 27 driven class trophies, this car was also National Jaguar Club of North America winner in the driven class in 1998 and 2004. San Diego has always been the home to this car throughout its life. And it sold for $65,000 at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.